And here comes the rain, as predicted. So predicting rain as part of your operations is something that you should be able to do, and this is something which I've been doing for the past couple of days now. So you can see this rain behind me, it's just coming in, but I knew it was coming in from this radar. And the only way for you to optimally do your operations is to really study the weather. Now, obviously, depending on what part of the world you are, you might never get this kind of weather. But now it's autumn time in Europe, and it's just part of life. So you can see it's just about to hit. I was flying, and then I knew I could see it coming in, and I actually knew it was coming before that. So I was trying to get as much done before. But I didn't quite get to finish, so I'll wait for this weather front to pass, and then I'll go and finish. But I knew it was coming, so it's not a surprise. It shouldn't be something that when you're flying and then all of a sudden it starts raining and you go, where did that come from? If you're on top of the weather, you're on top of your operations, and that's the only way to go. And I can hear now the weather. You hear the rain starting. Oh, this should only last about 10 minutes, I'm hoping. Let's go, 10 minutes. It's 8 minutes past 1. Let's check. So now we are at, it's 18 minutes past. The rain is stopping, so that was 10 minutes. It was exactly as I predicted from the weather satellite. So now I can go and fly, and I think I have another window, so I should get this done here. But you can easily predict your weather. You can see if this is something which is going to work for you, or you just go home, or as my case is go to the hotel. But weather is now better. You can probably see there that it's blue skies coming in. So I'm going to go and fly, and I'll let you guys go and watch other videos, because I can't show you what I'm doing. So anyway, thanks, all the best, and fly safe, and don't get wet.